Hi guys, here's the Vedic chart for Wednesday. We have the large white window at the bottom on the C2 panel that started this morning just after 6 a.m. and is going to run into the evening. And we've got two C1 windows that are going to be involved in the day-to-day. Right now we're in the first one in the white window, but we're not getting an opportunity yet because we are trading inside the price action of the prior window. So we need to see a new high or new low outside of that area before this window ends to take a trade. Right now the volatility is low and it doesn't look like we're going to get that before this window ends about 8 o'clock. So the key window then will be this afternoon. We've got this wide bright green window on the C1 panel. It goes from 12:50 to 5 o'clock. This one down here, so what we're going to do is break that down to the most likely points to get a significant pivot, and that would be where I've highlighted this overlapped area at the beginning of the window where the A4 bright green overlaps the A6 bright green, and then we're striking the vertical lines on the white A3 and the white A5 block. That area where the blue lines are crunched together is the most likely area for a pivot. The next good opportunity would be where the this A6 white panel is that I've highlighted here, and then the white block there on the B1 where I've dropped the vertical line just outside that highlight, and then the green over white where I've struck the other blue line. And then that is the key, two most important places for that pivot. I've also put one of the price projection tools on the chart based off of that high from yesterday. Now you can see how those levels reacted on the way down. At the first level, the green line kicked the market back up, 10-point move. Then we breached it again, got another kickback. Then it broke. It went right down to the next line. Came back up. Then the green line became support again till the end of the session. Went into the low volatility part of the overnight, traded down, broke the yellow line that time, came down just about to the red, and then bounced back up. So that is one of the price projections, one of the price projection tools. Now for a little twist, I'm showing some geometric price projections based off these angles. This is giving me some key levels, taking an angle down off the high and angle down off of this low, running some vertical lines at a couple of key pivots. I'm using the pivot low to get the high price level here. So trading up, we're going to see important resistance at 42.28. Running the angle down off the low, and then choosing the same pivots gets me lower levels down at 41.66, 41.74, and the near level, which is at the prior low of 41.96. So those are going to be key points where the market will flip today as we go through today's price action volatility.